Hello and welcome everybody from Sydney, the most popular city of Australia. This time I will present you the Sydney-i Operaház, which is part of the World Heritage, a multi-venue performing arts center, absolutely amazing building and also a symbol of Australia. It was designed by Jørn Utzon, a Danish architect, but an Australian architecture team accomplished the construction, which started in 1959 and it was finished in 1973, opened on the 20th October by Queen Elizabeth II, so she also participated in the huge opening ceremony. And now we'll go on an architecture tour, so you can book many tours here. I chose this architecture tour. I hope that we'll also go inside. I think we should. So this will be the first which I will show you, how is this architecture tour of the Sydney Operaház, and later I will tell you more information, more interesting facts about this absolutely amazing building. This is the Sydney Harbour. The Operaház is located on the foreshore of Sydney Harbour. It is widely regarded as one of the world's most famous and distinctive buildings, and the masterpiece of the 20th century architecture. It was very hard to model that time, because there were no computers like nowadays. When they started to dig the basement of the building, there was a lot of seawater, so they needed a pump to remove the seawater and then use millions of tons of concrete to make a stable basement for the Operaház. You can imagine such a huge structure needs a very good base. The building comprises multiple performance venues which together host well over 1,500 performances annually, attended by more than 1.2 million people. Performances are presented by numerous performing artists, including 3 resident companies: Opera Australia, the Sydney Theatre Company and the Sydney Symphony Orchestra. As one of the most popular visitor attractions in Australia, the site is visited by more than 8 million people annually, and approximately 350,000 visitors take a guided tour of the building each year. The facility features a modern expressionist design with a series of large precast concrete shells, each composed of sections of a sphere of 75.2 meters radius, forming the roofs of the structure set on a monumental podium, the base. The building covers 1.8 hectares of land and is 183 meters long and 120 meters wide at its widest point. It is supported on 588 concrete piers, sunk as much as 25 meters below sea level. The highest roof point is 67 meters above sea level, which is the same height as of a 22-story building. The concert hall has 2,679 seats.
Please take caution on the stairs and maintain physical distance. Thank you.
That is the home of the Sydney Symphony Orchestra. I visited that, but it was not allowed to take any photos and videos. The concert hall is used by a large number of other concerts also from other presenters, other genre. It also contains the Sydney Opera House grand organ, the largest mechanical tracker action organ in the world, with over 10,000 pipes. The Joan Sutherland Theatre has 1,507 seats. It is home of Opera Australia and the Australian Ballet. The building also houses a recording studio, retail shops, cafes, restaurants, bars, including the Opera Bar and Opera Kitchen.
Get a whole room full of another way to think about the Opera House. Well, there's a good reason, I've seen an Egenex, a Swedish manufacturing company. It took 3 years to develop because they're non-porous ceramic parts. I mean, it just means they're so strong, hard, and durable, they will not absorb moisture, much like not to a finished ceremony. Ultimately, in February 1966, after not being paid for 5.5 months, Utzon sends a letter to his client saying you're forcing me to leave the country. And his client says we accept your resignation. I was trying to attempt to into seating on both sides, and people coming, trying to get off. Basically, it's
Well, this architecture tour was absolutely amazing. Unfortunately, I couldn't make any photos or videos in some of the places, some of the rooms. I also visited the concert hall and there was not allowed to make any footage, but I could still show you some of the places. I mean, the interior is also very beautiful. Not just the outside architecture, so in my opinion it's 50-50. Both are very beautiful, both the interior and the exterior. So yeah, the tour was about 70 minutes long. There was a Australian tour guide who came from Italy originally, and he knew many details, so it was absolutely nice tour. You can book it online, and usually the tour takes place on Saturdays, 8:30 and 10 AM. Currently the price is 45 Australian dollars. There are many stairs leading to the opera house, and the tour guide said that Utzon, the Danish architect who designed the opera house, went in the 40s to Mexico and saw there a Maya temple, and that temple with the many stairs inspired him for this plan. We have so many stairs leading here to these buildings. So this was the vlog about the most beautiful and most iconic building of Australia, the Sydney Opera House. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, because this is how you get notified about the new contents. Have a nice day and goodbye.
Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Baby, let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life.